Welcome guys, the tutorial info channel. In front of me is HMD Barbie phone, and in this video I am going to show you how to manage data roaming on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to obviously turn on our phone and then unlock it, and now we have to head to settings. Here we have to choose connectivity, and now we have to get all the way down to the data roaming option, and here we can turn it off, get domestic only or all networks option. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.